YouTube. It is I, JMJ Reacts 2001 here. And today in this video, I'm going to react to two EAS scenarios. EAS scenario number 71, triple question mark, and EAS scenario number 95, triple exclamation mark. Keep in mind that those two videos does contain only one jump scare, and it'll also involve me going crazy, so likely you won't hear me over the audio. So, if you don't know who Superstar Studios Animations is, he's an EAS creator and an animator who mainly makes EAS scenarios in which he later animates them into films. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, let's get reacting. And hopefully I won't get jump scared. Okay. Yeah, I've seen this disclaimer before. Yep. Takes place at an unknown year? It was a beautiful sunny day and life is going completely normal. Sadly, things are about to take a scary turn. And we got an unknown emergency.
This is an important message from the Federal Emergency Management Agency and NASA. As of 7:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the sun began to turn into a bright blood red color for an unexplained cause.
Where did you get the scan
that some kind of meteorological event is taking place at this time. NASA expects for this event to continue until further notice, and also advises civilians to not view this event with
8 minutes later.
We interrupted regular scheduled programming due to an emergency that is currently taking place across the United States and the rest of the world. The President of the United States is unfortunately not able to make a message to the American people, and his representatives are in the same situation too. Big changes are coming, everyone. Please stand by for this message from the emergency alert system.
Again, where did you get the scan-soft Tom voice? And we got an SIP forever?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Center for Disease Control and Prevention and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A global state of emergency now exists. The outside world has become extremely dangerous to all life. The air has suddenly become extremely toxic to all life. The toxic chemicals are unknown to scientists, but scientists do know that there is no possible way to get healthy air back. The air will forever be toxic and deadly to all life. The air had become toxic about 5 minutes ago, and it is going to stay that way forever according to scientists, as well as the CDC. It is unknown how the air suddenly turned toxic, but all residents across the planet are ordered to shelter in place immediately. Please follow these instructions on how to shelter in place for the current situation. Get indoors immediately, lock all doors and windows, turn off heating and air conditioning systems, close all fireplace dampers, seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape, damp clothing, or damp towels. Get into your basement, if you have one. Shut off all electricity in your home. Do not go outside unless if you need to restock on supplies. If you need to restock on supplies, wear a strong gas mask to prevent inhalation of the air. A better alternative is to order supplies on Amazon, and it will take up to 2 weeks for your supplies to be delivered. Do not panic, and gather food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, wireless chargers, gas masks, toiletries, and a battery-powered radio for the duration of this emergency, which is said to be lasting forever. Supplies are extremely limited at this time, and even with a gas mask, going outside is extremely dangerous, so it is best to order supplies online. Only go outside with a gas mask, to get supplies only as a last resort. Even then, being outside is extremely dangerous at this time. This will not end. Shelter in place forever, and do not go outside ever. Emergency update. Gas masks have been proven to be ineffective with the toxic air, and people who have tried to go outside with gas masks on, they still died. Gas masks won't work. Do not go outside, even if you're restocking on supplies, or if it's an emergency. Going outside is deadly.
I'm not sure what he's saying in the alert. I'm not sure what he's saying. Looks like Tom's voice has gone deep. At this time, get indoors immediately. Lock all doors and windows from the inside. Hide in a room with no outside doors or windows, such as the basement. Turn off all lights and electricity in your home. Close all fireplace dampers and cover all windows from the outside. Inside the home, seal the cracks and doors and windows and tape them off to fix up your shelter for any reason. Stay quiet at all times. Do not investigate any noises or voices outside your shelter, no matter what it sounds like. Do not look in the mirror or any reflecting objects. Do not investigate any weird or suspicious activity, even if it's your door not rattling. Keep all electronics away from you. Keep battery power radio. Do not attempt to find any individuals that may try to attack you. You cannot beat them. Do not respond to any knocks on doors or windows at all. Do not attempt to interact with anyone outside or inside your home or by the windows. Do not attempt to investigate any lights outside your home, because you cannot identify bigger from inside your shelter or from the corner of your eye. Do not investigate. Remain still at all times. Eliminate any heat inside your shelter. Do not look at the ceiling. Should any family member go missing, do not attempt to search for them. Most importantly, remain calm at all times. Excuse me. God, the outside world is forever dangerous to all life. Stay hidden forever. Avoid the sun. Imagine this would happen in real life, but only in Ohio. Got another alert. It's the sun, giving out toxic heat. It's all in the air. The sun is poisonous and toxic. The sun is death. It knows us. It hates us. It won't stop. Shelter in place. Forever. There's no hope. We won't get our home back. Enjoy your new life. Inside. Imagine this would happen in real life, but in Ohio, Ohio would get destroyed. I imagine this would happen in real life, but only in Ohio. Don't listen to any instructions that the alert is telling you to. It's a hijack. A.m. To hunt? To take? To kill? To annihilate? To feast? To terrorize humanity? What? Is that what happens when you disobey the sun? Oh, imagine this would happen in real life, but only in Ohio.
Oh God, it's 3 a.m.
Is that your whisper, superstar? It's ASMR time. I gotta keep quiet. Oopsies. I apologize in advance. I didn't watch. What happened? Oh, I was sleeping for like couple minutes, then I didn't know there was a rock and roll jump scare incoming. Oh God. DJ, turn up the heat! Whoa! Oh God! Oh, whoa. Whoa. What just happened there? Ghost storm moment. I survived the scenario. Oh. Oh, come on, that was my jam. Another unknown emergency.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Shelter in place immediately. I repeat, shelter in place immediately. At this time, a global state of emergency now exists. As of 1:52 a.m. Eastern Time, the outside world has become extremely dangerous to all people. At this time, the air has suddenly become extremely radioactive, and the outside world is now full of radiation. Scientists cannot explain how this happened or where the radiation came from, but they are saying that the outside world will be inhabitable again in about 20,000 to 25,000 years. Being inside your home is the best option. All residents across the United States are being urged to stay indoors at all times. Do not go outside at all. Gas masks of all kinds have been proven to be ineffective with this strange radiation, and they will not work. Even if it's an emergency, stay inside your house. At this time, you need to pray that radiation doesn't get inside your home. Shelter in place immediately, or you will face certain death. Stay in a room without outside doors and windows. An underground shelter is recommended. Make sure there are no possible entrances and that all doors are covered with towels or something.
This is the same alert from EAS Scenario number 7.
This is not a drill.
One hour later. And this is the same alert from EAS Scenario number 71.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Shelter in place immediately. I repeat, shelter in place immediately. At this time, a global state of emergency still exists, and will permanently remain in our world. Unfortunately, scientists confirm that there will be no way to get healthy air back, and that this radiation will never go away, and that it is permanently in the air. You are being told to shelter in place forever. Do not attempt to evacuate your current location, as it will result in certain death. There is no place to go. The whole world is affected by this event. Humanity is about to experience a permanent change, as the outside world has become a dangerous place. All residents across the United States are being urged to stay indoors at all times. Do not go outside at all. Gas masks of all kinds have been proven to be ineffective with this strange radiation, and they will not work. Even if it's an emergency, stay inside your house. At this time, you need to pray that radiation doesn't get inside your home. Shelter in place immediately, or you will face certain death. Stay in a room without outside doors and windows. An underground shelter is recommended. Make sure there are no possible entrances and that all doors are covered with towels or something to prevent radiation from possibly entering your shelter. This is not a drill. This will not end. This will last forever.
The night goes on. Houston? This is the same alert from EAS Scenario number 71. Over. Sorry.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Residents across the United States are being urged to turn off their television and radio sets immediately after this message ceases transmission. At this time, television and radio sets across the country began to malfunction and began showing disturbing and graphic videos, along with creepy messages. The broadcast will now quiet down for your safety, as there is so much going on that we don't have time to explain right now. Right now, you should remain calm and follow the instructions, and pray that you survive.
Alright. At this time, get indoors immediately. Lock all doors and windows from the inside. Hide in a room with no outside doors and windows, such as the basement. Turn off all lights and electricity in your home. Coughs all fireplace dampers and cover all windows. Make the outside world not viewable from inside your room. Seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp cloth. Do not exit your shelter for any reason. Stay quiet at all times. Do not investigate any noises or voices outside your shelter, no matter who or what it sounds like. Do not look in the mirror or any reflective objects. Do not investigate any weird or suspicious activity, even if it's your door not rattling. Keep all electronics away from you. Keep a battery-powered radio only. Do not attempt to fight any individuals that may try to attack you. You cannot beat them. Do not respond to any knocks on doors or windows at all. Do not attempt to interact with anyone outside or inside your home. Do not attempt to investigate any lights outside your home. If you see any element that might lead you from inside your shelter or from the corner of your eye, do not investigate. Remain still at all times. Eliminate any heat inside your shelter. Do not look at the ceiling. Should any family member go missing, do not attempt to search for them. Most importantly, remain calm at all times. There will be no all clear given. The outside world is forever dangerous to all life. Stay hidden forever. There's no hope. We won't get our home back. Enjoy your new life inside. You're hiding in your shelter with your family, and then this message has come up. Here comes Microsoft Mike.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Your television set has automatically turned back on to assure you of the following information. All residents across the United States should prepare for a certain death. An entity is coming to your house right now. He knows where you live. He knows where you are. He knows where you go. You can run, but you cannot hide. He is not far from you. Get ready for your death.
You and your family start panicking, but it just keeps getting closer and closer. Your children start crying, but then I bet Microsoft Mike is speaking like a female with X and Y chromosomes.
The emergency alert system is warning you about your upcoming demise. The entity is getting closer to your house. He is so excited to meet you and kill you. He is so excited to consume every part of you and drink all your blood. I hope you are looking forward to meeting him. He sees your house. He is coming. Hide now. Get ready to defend yourself. Then again, defending yourself against this entity won't do you any good. Therefore, prepare for your death. Goodbye.
Keeps getting closer and fear arises in your whole family. And yourself. This is the third frickin' time my watch buzzed on me.
The entity is now at your front door. He is so excited to meet you and your family, and kill you. He is so excited to consume every part of you and drink all your blood. He is so excited and ready to kill all your children and your wife. I hope you and the rest of your family are looking forward to meeting him. He sees your house. He is coming. It is too late to hide now.
You and your family brace for death. Error 404.
It is safe to leave your shelter. The entity is right above your shelter. It is trying to save you. It is trying to help you. You have been lied to. There was no radiation. These scientists lied to you. They all are lying to you. Staying indoors will get you killed. Leave your shelter. Immediately. The outside world is safe. There is no emergency. Hurry, before it's too late.
I believe this is the alert from Ghost Storm animated movie. I can't stop watching that movie because it's my favorite.
Well done, America. Your country has fallen. You have surrendered, just as you were told. You all have left your shelters, and now I have such a big army. I now have control of every human on Earth. The radiation will not kill you, but will give me complete control over your entire brain and body. You are trapped under the control of my will and force. Humanity will be enslaved eternally to my will. There are no consequences to disobeying my will, because it will not be possible. After all, your brains will be completely programmed to follow my commands without any hesitation. You will indeed suffer, and there will be so much pain. There will be tears, there will be crying, there will be torture, there will be slicing and ripping of human skin, but will still follow me. Every single human will be programmed to follow me, and it will be impossible to disobey me. Are you ready for the new world you're gonna live in? You better be, because the future begins now. Have fun being eternally tortured and enslaved to the pain and suffering of hell. Enslaved to so much hard work and sacrifice. There will be death. You might be sacrificed for the hunger and thirst of other people. I hope you can adapt to this new normal quickly, because this is a permanent change. Have fun.
This is the end. You cannot be guide. We cannot be stopped. Wanda.
What freaking time I watch Buzz on me? Hello? Is it over? Please tell me it's over. I just can't stop watching Ghost Storm animated movie because it's my favorite by Superstar Studios Animations. Yeah. I find those two EAS scenarios very spooky. I never knew those scenarios would be revealed later in an EAS scenario number 80 called Ghost Storm and Ghost Storm animated movie. Can't stop watching those because those are my favorites by Superstar Studios Animations, but it's good to be back reacting to more EAS scenarios. So yeah, this has been JMJ Reacts 2001, and I've been jump scared 2 times, so yeah. Peace.